Hello everyone, welcome to Zero Vigyan. In this video, we will talk about VNIT Nagpur PhD admission for 2023 July session. First talking about VNIT Nagpur, Visvesvaraya National Institute of Technology Nagpur is a public technical university located in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Earlier the institute was known as Visvesvaraya Regional College of Engineering. It was established in year 1960 under the scheme sponsored by Government of India and Government of Maharashtra. In 2002, it was established as NIT and renamed as Visvesvaraya National Institute of Technology Nagpur (VNIT). In 2007, institute was given status of national importance. Now talking about available PhD programs at VNIT Nagpur in engineering, civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics and communication, computer science, chemical, metallurgy and materials, mining and applied mechanics, VLSI and nanotechnology, in architecture and planning, and in sciences, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and social sciences and humanities, and interdisciplinary area of research. Now talking about PhD admission categories. Category first, non-sponsored candidates with teaching assistantship. Second, MTech students of VNIT with teaching assistantship. Third, SRF or JRF or research staff of R&D projects sponsored to VNIT. For sponsored candidates, place of research work VNIT only with DST Inspire or CSIR or UGC fellowship or equivalent. Fifth, sponsored candidates from 100% centrally funded research laboratories including public sector and private industries. Sixth, direct admission of BTech or BE students to PhD. Seventh, full-time non-GATE or NET or SET. Eighth, part-time GATE or NET or SET qualified. And ninth, non-GATE or NET or SET qualified. Now talking about eligibility criteria for category 1, 2, 5 and 8. For engineering, postgraduate degree in engineering or technology, ME, MTech or equivalent and GATE qualified in the past. In architecture and planning, postgraduate degree in architecture and planning, ME, MTech, MArch, MPlan or equivalent and GATE or NET qualified. Sciences, postgraduate degree, MSc, MA or equivalent in basic sciences or humanities, NET, GATE, GPAT or DST Inspire or CSIR or UGC fellowship or equivalent. For category 3rd and 4th, an essential qualification requirement is as per the sponsoring agency norms. And for category 6, BTech BE with minimum CGPA 8.5 or 80% in BTech or BE, candidates must apply within 2 academic years after the completion of BTech or BE and GATE qualification is required. Student appearing in 8th SEM of BTech or BE examination whose results are not declared can also apply. Candidates should have minimum CGPA 8.5 or 80% up to 6 SEM of BTech or BE. After completion of BTech or BE, students should have minimum CGPA 8.5 or 80% marks. And candidates should have GATE qualified or students shall be among the top 5 rank holder in the department at the end of their 6th SEM BTech or BE. In BTech or BE, the department head, principal or director of the respective institute will be required to issue a rank certificate supporting to each application in the prescribed format. Now talking about qualification requirement for category 7 and 9 for non-GATE or NET or SET. Qualifying degree requirement is same as category first. Now talking about selection process, all candidates will be required to appear for written test which will be conducted in the respective department on the day specified in information brochure. Further, the shortlisted candidates on the basis of performance in the written test shall be interviewed. Topmost scorer of the written test will be normalized to 100 and marks of other candidates will be scaled accordingly. Then department can set a cut-off normalized score not below 40% depending on the number of candidates to be called for interview. Candidates will appear for written test or interview at their own cost. Now talking about finalist preparation criteria for category 1st to 5 and category 8. Candidates should have qualified GATE NET SET score in the past. Candidates should also score minimum 40% marks in interview for selection. Final list will be prepared based on following weightage: written exam 40%, GATE or NET or SET score 40% and interview will be 20%. For category 6, research aptitude test will be conducted for the candidates. The candidates should score minimum 50% marks in the written test to qualify for the interview. Final merit list will be prepared based on the performance in the interview and higher credentials. For category 7 and 9, non-GATE or NET or SET, written exam 60% and interview 40%. Now talking about application process. Application form is available on institute website. The duly filled application form along with photocopies of the certificate and photograph and copy of payment received should be sent by speed post or hand delivery. Application received after the last date and incomplete application will be liable to rejection. In addition to the above process of physical form submission, candidate need to fill Google form online. Candidates are requested to fill correct information in the Google form. If the candidate is applying in multiple branches, then they need to fill different Google form for different branches. Now talking about application fee, candidate is required to pay application fee of 500 rupees per application form online through online payment portal of VNIT. After payment, candidates mention this VNIT payment reference number in the application form and also attach the printed copy of receipt. Now talking about important dates. Date of notification 15th May. Last date of accepting application 13 June. Last date of uploading Google form 13 June and display of list of eligible candidates 20 June. Written test for eligible candidate 3rd July and interview will be on 3rd or 4th July. Display of provisional list of selected candidates 7 July. Online reporting and payment of fee 17 to 22nd July. Joining and registration of courses 24 to 28 July 2023.